applications. What are the applications for the embedded systems? Embedded systems are the everywhere. Okay. Embedded system is the necessary in the part of the human life. We can use the automotive, automotive and consumer electronics, medical, industrial, and communications. In automotive side, like ECU, ECU will call it as engine control unit. Different ECUs are. If you take the normal car, you can find like 70, like 50 to 70 ECUs are there. High-ended auto, cars. In normal cars, you can find at least 15 to 20 ECUs will be there. ECU having the every ECU having the different for example, airbag, they have the some separate ECU will be there. For electrical power steering, they have the separate ECU will be there, and ABS separate ECU will be there. Different every purpose of the for every purpose one ECU will be there. ABS ABS will be there, and airbags, infotainment, like infotainment in the example. If you see the car, there is a you can find the dashboard. That is the infotainment. Okay, airbags. If we happen any accident, anything, airbags automatically will open. Okay, these are different applications will be there in the automotive. If you come to the consumer electronics, consumer electronics in day-to-day life, everything you can see, like from TV remote, TV control, everything. Okay, like coming to the consumer electronics, TV, camera, washing machine, refrigerator, different will be there. And coming to the medical, ECG, blood pressure monitor, ventilator, and scanning machines, different will be there. And industrial robotics, PLC, factory automation, different applications in the industrial. In communications, like routers, uh, and Wi-Fi devices, IoT products will be there in the different in the communications applications.